Hey friends, if you wish to download Nvidia control panel on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, the thing about Nvidia control panel is that there are a lot of them, and merely the Nvidia drivers are not the Nvidia control panel. So we'll have to search for Nvidia control panel in the search bar, and then we can go to the App Store, okay, and then we can download it from here. I can also open the store from here. I will open the Microsoft Store. This is a better method, and just type NVIDIA control panel here and hit enter. And then you can go to this app here and install it. Okay, and then you can open it. You'll have to agree to the agreements and all, and you can access it. Obviously, I don't have a display for NVIDIA control panel, but for people who require it, people who have the necessary hardware for it, it can be an excellent addition. And rather, I say that if you are into gaming and if you have a gaming based computer, you should definitely install the Nvidia control panel. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.